the mess in the background. Oh my god, it is so messy. It is what it is. But I got my, oh, this smells really bad, which I've been waiting for a long time, and I'm just praying that it fits. This is supposed to be like a handmade company from Madrid, España. Really cute packaging. They were getting a little backlash because they take forever to ship, because they go as they get the orders, and people like always still read the website. Oh, this is so cute. I'm a little bit scared because I feel like they're gonna be too small. Got the XL. They're so see-through. This is not what I order. They're literally, there's no lining whatsoever. I think they'll fit. Kind of sad. These were 80 bucks, and I think I could have done that myself. They're actually chiffon material at the bottom. There's no lining. And the top is really well made. It's just material. I tried them on. They fit lengthwise, and they like fit me. I am a size like 12, 14 depending on the brand. I can fit on a 10 if they're stretchy. And this one, they fit very comfortable, loose. They are very low-waisted, and because I don't have a flat stomach and I have my issue with my hips, you guys know, it looks a little bit funky on like the crotch area, but like they fit and they're actually very, very comfortable. Crotch area, do you see how bad it looks? Well, now it's not looking bad, but see how they're low-waisted? And I have a short torso. They're cute. I do like them a lot. It's just it looks a little bit weird right here. Good morning, everyone. I'm currently packaging my returns so I can drop them downstairs. So I need to get my Amazon order. I got eardrops for wax to see if that will help my ear. Even though my ear has been feeling so much better, like it's like slowly getting back to normal. I don't know what happened with my ear. Like I haven't like done anything weird to it, but the other day I was in a meeting and I didn't even have my headphones on, and I got a very strong, you know, when you have tinnitus, whatever it's called, and you hear the like beep in your ear. So I had that, but very intense, and it was very strange because I was literally talking normally and that just came out of nowhere in this ear. I don't have anything wrong with the ear, like nothing went in it to my knowledge. Like I don't know what the fuck's going on with the ear. So yeah, so let me just print this stuff. All the new clothes that I have gotten. Camo jacket from Abercrombie. I actually really like this, but I don't love the inside material because it doesn't do well with like shirts, like cotton and cotton. When you put it on, and it makes it very uncomfortable. Clothes. I was gonna return this dress from H&M, but when I tried it on, I was just like in a bad mood and I was wearing leggings, so I didn't take my leggings off, and it looked so bad. But I just tried it on like as you should wear the dress, and it looks so cute, so I'm keeping it. And it was also pretty affordable. I think it was like 20. I don't know if this was recording. I'm just getting ready to go to my walk. I really like my outfit. It's just leggings from Hollister, jacket from Dreamers Club, love this hoodie, and my Reebok sneakers. But what I was saying is I do not feel good at all. I have a headache right here, and it came out of nowhere, and then my ear is like fucked up too on this side, so I'm just like all around fucked up. And like I want to eat chips, but I don't have any chips, so I'm eating my last Pop-Tart. Let's go take a little doggy for a walk. Let's go, Ray. I got my snacks and I'm done with the walk. All right, if you're wondering what I got for snacks, I got some Doritos. I don't know why, but those were the ones that look good. I got this because I'm editing a vlog and I showed this. I was like, oh, I haven't had that in so long. This brand, one of the best. I call them ice cream, but they're not ice cream. I mean, they're a mixture of ice cream and gelato. But this thing, so all of them are so good. And then I've been wanting to try this one from Ben & Jerry's. Is the chocolate chip cookie dough. It looks so. Hi everyone. Today I did absolutely nothing because I usually clean, but my apartment was pretty clean, so didn't have to do that. But I just got this order. I love watching Anna's, oh shit, Anna's vlog, and she always gets her little like acai bowls, and I was craving something like that, and look how cute the little bag is. I am obsessed. Packaging, marketing of these, 10 out of 10. Maybe because blue is one of my favorite colors, but look how cute in Boston. I've been craving Nutella. I literally ordered Nutella to get delivered from Amazon. Yeah, this is a Nutella bowl. Strawberries with Nutella. I just have strawberries. Well, this is like frozen. Let me just try the actual smoothie, which is melting. Wow, very sweet. I forgot to ask for no extra sugar. I usually don't get extra sugar on my smoothies because they're so sweet with the fruits and like the other stuff. I eat this. So good. Alright, so I just showered and I showed you guys this, but I'm wearing my Brookline little robe. I can't go down lower because the way that I'm sitting, but isn't this so cute? I love it. I am literally obsessed with this. Like, you have no idea. Very comfortable. It is like a towel material. As I said in my review, it is not super soft, but it looks really cute and it's very thick, so I guess that makes it worth it, right? Hi, I just got my Amazon order. It is my Nutella. This is so huge. Oh my god. It's as big as my face. Unlimited Nutella. So excited. I was gonna order Nutella from like Whole Foods, like the Amazon brand, but it was $10 for the small one. I was like, no. So we did this. I pay $12 because I got same day delivery. Oh. Nutella is so good. My Sephora order just got delivered. Let's go pick it up. So excited. So excited. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. You know, one thing I have to say, Sephora packaging has never... Oh my god. They said no one's stealing this. Fucked up the whole bag. Has never gone out of style. Like this, iconic. Classic. So I got the Super Goop Protecting Daily SPF Tint. I don't know that name, but I'm getting the color 22W. Let's see if it matches. Oh, this looks a little bit pink. Oh no. It's supposed to be neutral. This is not giving neutral. And it's so hard to find like a gray undertone. Oh, this is like very light, like no coverage at all. I like my Maybelline BB cream better because it gives you more coverage, and even though I don't need the coverage, sometimes it's just nice. Like, why am I putting something that is not even doing anything, you know? I also got the long-lasting makeup setting spray Urban Decay All Nighter. I said that I needed a setting spray, so I got this one. I love Urban Decay. I feel like this has been like a forgotten brand, but their products are so good and very currently underrated. I'm very excited about this. I also had a coupon because of the Sephora sale.